look at those seasons, or they pop up inside of the fritters. So nice, right? Guys, look how lovely this is. It tastes so freaking good. So good. Remember guys to subscribe, to tell a friend, to share, and remember, God is love. What's up guys? It's Sunday inside our house, and today I don't feel like cooking. Like every other Sunday, today I don't feel like cooking. Maybe because straight throughout the week I've been cooking like every single day. On Sundays I just need a break, but I still have to make something for my children to eat. So today I'm going to make, or this afternoon I'm going to make some chicken burger. Yes, some jerk chicken breast burger. So let's get started. So here guys, I have some buttermilk in this pan. I'm just going to add half teaspoon of Jamaican jerk season to it. Spice it up guys.
Ooh, that's too spicy.
Mix it up in it. See, the color already changed. Then here I have my chicken breast that I have fillet already seasoned with some black pepper and some complete season. Here I have some flour. So what I'm going to do guys, I'm going to take my chicken breast fillet, I'm going to add it into my buttermilk with my jerk season like that. I'm going to bring it over here in the flour. I'm going to coat it like that. Bring it back in the buttermilk and jerk season. Coat it again. I'm double coating it guys, or triple coating it. Coat it again. One more time guys. Yes. I'm getting so excited. The reason why for me to coat this chicken breast so many times is because I want it to have that crispiness inside, all layers. You can, as you can see guys, what it doing to it is sticking the flour. You see that all over it? That is the way how I want it. I'm going to put that aside and I'm going to start on the other rest until I'm finished. I have some oil over here in my deep fryer. So what I'm going to do guys, I'm just going to place my chicken breast. The oil is at 375 degrees. It's very hot. I place my chicken like that down in the oil, and I'm going to leave it guys to do its thing. So as you can see guys, my chicken is finished. Look at that. All this goodness in this chicken breast. So crispy. So 2 down, 3 to go. Okay guys, so Kisara insists she want the jerk one because I was going to do for the children naturally. So anyway, I'm going to do all of them jerk. So as you can see, I forget to tell you guys, I slice some little bit of like slices in the chicken breast for all the season, all the peppers, all the flour to go in between. So now I'm going to do it first as I show you how I did mine. In the buttermilk and the jerk season, the Jamaican jerk season. Look at that, guys. Flour, coat it every corner, inches. You can use a tongue, you can use a gloves if you don't like me, to feel the flour on your hands. Shake it again like that, guys. Dip it again in your buttermilk. Guys, you can do this from overnight, the buttermilk, and just put it in the fridge with the chicken breast to marinate until the next day. But before you fry it, guys, remember to take it out of the fridge at least half an hour to come to room temperature before you put that cold chicken in the oil. That's it going to splash all over you. Okay guys, a little trick I learned: as soon as you take out your chicken from the fryer, from the oil, just eat it with some salt, guys. Don't miss this step. You see on my Jamaican fried chicken, I do the same thing. Yes guys, perfectly. So there you go, guys. Look how lovely that looks. Now it's time for us to assemble our burgers. So now, guys, I'm going to assemble my burger. So inside here I have some mayonnaise, some ketchup, tomato ketchup, and I'm just going to mix it together to make my sauce for my chicken. Chicken burger. So I'm going to take, I already toast the bread, guys. Take some of the mayo and I'm just going to place it, mayo and tomato ketchup on top. Try this, guys. All week I'm eating healthy. Why not going big this weekend on a Sunday and start back fresh on a Monday? So I place it like that. I get some iceberg lettuce, put it inside it. I get 2 huge slices of tomato. That's how we like it, guys. And I take my chicken breast, my jerk chicken breast, and I place it on top like that. Look at that, guys. And then, guys, because we're home and we want to eat like we're on the road, look what are we going to do now, guys. I take a box, I add some of my french fries to the box like that. One follow. Put your burger inside it. Rate me, guys. Tell me what you guys think. Look at that beauty. Sunday vibes. Remember, guys, to like, to share, to subscribe, to tell a friend, to hit that notification bell. And remember, God is love. This is massive. Look at that, guys. Just look at that for my taste test now. Oh my God, I don't think I can put all this in my mouth. Where I should start, you see? You get a kick of the jerk season, the crispiness. This tastes like KFC Zinger. It's that bad. It tastes like KFC Zinger. Now, this is Shackema Zinger.